Welcome to Smarter Selling. This is Charmaine. Today's topic is bananas. Bananas! When I was a young lass in Essex, I used to do this. £4 of bananas for a pound, £4 of bananas for a pound. It's the barrel boy sort of Essex thing. Now we laugh about that, but the reality is this. I was in my butcher's the other day, buying £2 of sausage, kilograms of sausages, and the butcher went, "Oh, that's just under, is that okay?" And I thought, where's your business growth mentality? You need to be saying constantly, "That's just over, is that okay? That's just over, is that okay?" When I used to work in a fruit shop, which I did between the ages of 12 and 20, somebody would come in and say, it was pounds and ounces then, but £5 of potatoes, I'd go, "That's just over, Jack, is that okay?" £2 of sprouts, "That's just over, Jack, is that okay?" And as long as you're reading and observing the situation fine, you should constantly be thinking 10% more, 10% more, 10% more. So when I say bananas, I want you to think to yourself, what can I offer my client that's 10% more? Whether it's a pitch that's coming in that said it's 50 grand, why are you offering a solution back that's 55 grand and one that's 150 grand? Just think about how can I add that 10% on each time, because that's simple. 8 out of 10 people could take that extra 10% and there's your growth without even thinking about it. Bananas is your top tip today. If you think a colleague would find this useful, then do share. And if you'd like more tips on bananas and other business growth ideas, then subscribe below. This is Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Until next time.